Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. School President, Julio Victor Marlo D. Siguera. Siguera Technological College's Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Irving G. Tumbado, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Erica May C. Ramirez, Deputy Corps Commander. Cadet Major Katrina Paula C. Navales, Adjutant. Cadet Major Carlos Cervantes, Intelligence. Cadet Major Austin Saldo, Operation. Cadet Major Jeremy Buffete, Supply. Major Leader Janeline P. Magistrado. Hand Leader Riley Ernest P. Santa Cruz, Company Commander. Cadet Major Prince Elijah Endradan, Company Constable. Cadet Major Anthony Barbosa, First Major Leader Boys. Cadet Major Mark John A. Mora, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Chriselle A. Brillo, CAT Facilitator Colonel Harold V. Hernando, Philippine Air Force GAC Commanding Officer. Land Advisor Coordinator Jerry Blente. Major Trainer Roger O. Mirandilla. Land Master Trainer Miguel Cernande and Marvin Cernande. Entry number 58, Siguera Technological Colleges, Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 58, Siguera Technological Colleges from Iriga City. Next.